Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss about the one of the feature of the Postman. This is very nice features. Using this feature, we can convert the Postman request into the programming languages code. Okay, so let's start. I have one here open APIs. Okay, so this is one API list of user. So we can click here. This is the endpoint URL we need to send. And the method type is get. So click on the add request, renaming get all users. Okay, endpoint URL pasting here. And this is the get method. So get method is selected. Now I'm going to send the request. Click on send button. And response I can see here below. Okay, so in the right side there are some menus. Okay, and there is a one icon here that is like if I mouse over here we will get the code. Click on this and you can see here there is a code snippet. So there are multiple options are available, okay, which is for different programming languages options. So like if we want to get the code of the curl, select this, we will get the curl code. Copy this code, open CMD, okay, and run. So here we need to remove the single code from the endpoint URL. This is, so same request response I am getting here, okay. Similar type, if we want to convert this code in other programming language, we can convert very easily. Select the C#, rest sharp. So this code is generated use of the C# in C# for the rest sharp. Okay, there are other options also available. So as per our requirement, we can select the language and convert. And then this code we can use in our framework. So one of code I am going to show, like for the Python, we can select the Python request. So this code is generated for the Python, okay, and APIs are they are using your module, Python module request. Then first of all, we need to install this Python module request. Okay, so how we install? So make sure Python is already installed in your system and set up the path Python as well as the pip command. Okay, so now I'm going to run pip request. Okay, you will see, yeah, in my case this is already installed. Okay, that's why I am getting here already installed. But when you run this command and if the request module is not installed, then you will see the messages installed successfully. Now I'm typing here Python, so it's moving the Python editor. So copy the code and paste here. You can see I'm getting a response. This code we can also add in the Python file, .py file and run. Let me create another request for the post. Okay, this is one request for the post to create the user. So let me add one more request, add request. This is for add user. Okay, now endpoint URL is same. This is okay. Here we need to add the API/users. Okay, then this is the JSON body. We need to copy this and paste here in the body. Go to the raw, select the text, paste here. And method type is post. We need to select the post method from drop down. Click on send request. Okay, now how we convert the code? Go to the here this code option, select this and You can see here code is automatically generated. Copy this code, paste it in Python file, okay, or in your framework, and then run. I'm going to run this on the terminal and you will see the output. Enter. You can see same response I am getting here. Okay, so this is very nice features. We can use this feature to convert the Python code or other programming languages code, right? As per our requirement, we can convert and use this feature. Thanks for watching the video.